From a cement truck in Russia that clipped this overpass, and a speeding driver who lost control on a rainy day, to a tire that had a mind of its own, here are some unpredictable moments caught on dash cam. If you're driving in the rain, make sure to slow down and check all your surroundings.
Wow.
Fuck.
Dobrze, nas nie zabił.
No.
Maybe the police will also have to deal with these guys later.
Пиздец, въебались друг друга. Молодец.
Нехер было лететь. 14 or 15 this year. Watch the guy coming out. Watch it, he's coming over! The hell, buddy? Don't. You don't need to do that.
Merging lanes will always be tricky. Watch out. Sometimes, even when you do everything right, stuff like this will happen to you.
Of excessive force.
Tomorrow is day 2 of a 3-day strike by Los Angeles School District employees. SEIU leader Max Arias.
Sometimes traffic gets so chaotic, you won't even know what hit you.
Нихера себе. Да, я вижу, Денис.
Busy streets and wet roads usually are very dangerous.
Que é isso? Que o cara arrumou? Você é louco, velho. Porra, olha isso.
О, зараз
чё, блядь?
Обнаружен маломощный радар. Контроль разметки. Ограничение скорости 60 километров в час.
Every Alabama built Honda. Honda is the most American-made automaker. Visit your North Alabama Honda dealer today. Honda is Alabama pride. Honda makes 4 of the top 10 most American-made 2021.
Oh my God!
Is he leaning?
He's got a paw on my seat.
Oh my!
What the f?
Did you get that? Record it.
Hell.
If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Until next time.